Welcome dear 10th standard students. In this video class I am going to teach theoretical geometry. In theoretical geometry, exercise number 4.2, sum number 2 to 4. Exercise 4.2, sum number 2. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and PQ are points on AD and BC respectively, such that PQ is parallel to DC. If PD is equal to 18 cm, PQ is equal to 35 cm and QC is equal to 15 cm. Find AD. ABCD is a trapezium. Here AB is parallel to DC. P and Q are the points on AD and BC. Joining PQ, that PQ is parallel to AB and also DC. In trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to DC is parallel to PQ. Join AC meets PQ at R. We get two triangles ACD and triangle ABC. In triangle ACD, AP by BD is equal to AR by RC by PPT. AP is X, PD is 18 is equal to AR by RC taken as 1. In triangle ABC, RQ is parallel to AB by PPT. PQ by QC is equal to AR by RC. PQ is 35 by 15 is equal to AR by RC. 35 by 15 is cancelled by 5. We get 7 by 3 is equal to AR by RC taken as 2. From 1 and 2, right sides are equal, so left sides are equal. 7 x by 18 is equal to 7 by 3. X is equal to 7 by 3 into 18. 18 is divided by 3, we get 6. 7 into 6, 42. X is equal to 42. Therefore, AD is equal to AP plus PD. AP is 42 plus PD is 18. 42 plus 18, 60. AD is 60 centimeter. Third sum. In triangle ABC, D and E are points on the side AB and AC respectively. For each of the following case, show that DE is parallel to BC. Here two sums are given. The first sum, AB is 12 cm, AD is 8 cm, AE is 12 cm and AC is 18 cm. In triangle ABC, to prove DE is parallel to BC, DB is equal to AB by AD. AB 12 minus 8, 4. EC is AC minus AE. AC 18, AE 12. 18 minus 12, 6. AD by DB, 8 by 4 is equal to 2. AE by EC, 12 by 6, 2. Here, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Therefore, by converse of PPT, DE is parallel to BC. Second one, given AB is 5.6 cm, AD is 1.4 cm, AC is 7.2 cm, AE is 1.8 cm. In triangle ABC, to prove DE is parallel to BC, DB is AB minus AD. DB is AB minus AD. AB is 5.6 minus AD is 1.4. We get 4.2. EC is AC minus AE. AC is 7.2 minus AE 1.8, 7.2 minus 1.8, 5.4. AD by DB is equal to 1.4 by 4.2. Cancelling we get 1 by 3. AE by EC is equal to 1.8 by 5.4. Cancelling we get 1 by 3. Both are equal. So therefore AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Therefore by converse of PPT, DE is parallel to BC. Fourth one, in figure, if PQ is equal to BC and PR is equal to CD, prove that given two conditions. First one, AR by AD is equal to AQ by AB. Here a quadrilateral is given ABCD. A point on ABQ, a point on ACP, a point on AD are joining QP and PR. The QP is parallel to BC. PR is parallel to CD. In triangle ABC, PQ is parallel to BC. By PPT, AQ by AB is equal to AP by AC, taken as 1. In triangle ADC, PR is parallel to DC. By PPT, AR by AD is equal to AB by AC, taken as 2. From 1 and 2, right sides are equal, so left sides are equal. AQ by AB is equal to AR by AD. Therefore, we get the result AR by AD is equal to AQ by AB. Hence proved. Second condition, to prove QB by AQ is equal to DR by AR. From the result 1, AR by AD is equal to AQ by AB. From result 1, AR by AD is equal to AQ by AB. Taking reciprocal, AD by AR is equal to AB by AQ. Subtracted by 1 on both sides. AD by AR minus 1 is equal to AB by AQ minus 1. LCM is AR. AD minus AR by AR is equal to AB minus AQ by AQ. AD minus AR is DR by AR. AB minus AQ is PQ by AQ. We get the result QB by AQ is equal to DR by AR. Let's prove the second also. Fifth sum, rhombus PQRP is inscribed in triangle ABC such that angle P is one of its angle PQ and R lie on AB, AC and BC respectively. If AB is 12 cm and BC is 6 cm, find the side PQ RP of the rhombus. Here, a triangle ABC. A rhombus is inscribed in the triangle ABC, PQRP. Angle P is one of the angle of the rhombus and also the triangle. Here, PQR are the point on AB, AC and BC respectively. AB is 12 cm, BC is 6 cm. Find PQ RP. Here rhombus, all the sides are equal. So it taken as X. In triangle ABC, rhombus PQRP is inscribed it. In rhombus, all sides are equal. AB is, the side AB is 12 cm in the triangle and BC is 6 cm. To find PQ and RP of the side rhombus. AP is equal to AB minus PP. AB is 12 minus X. So AP is 12 minus X. RC is BC minus PR. BC is 6 minus PR is X. RC is 6 minus X. In triangle ABC, PQ is parallel to BC by PPT. AB by BB is equal to AQ by QC taken as 1. In triangle ABC, QR is parallel to AB by BPT. PR by RC is equal to AQ by QC taken as 2. From 1 and 2, right sides are equal, so left sides are equal. AP by PP is equal to PR by RC. AP 12 minus X by PP 6 is equal to PR X by RC 6 minus X. Cross multiplication we get 12 minus X is equal to 6 minus X is equal to X into X square. 12 into 6 72 minus 12 into minus X minus 12X. Minus X into 6 minus 6X. Minus X into minus X, X square is equal to X square. X square capital is equal to 0. 12 minus 12X minus 6X minus 18X is equal to 0. Minus 18X is equal to minus 72. X is equal to minus 72 by minus 18. Minus cancel. 72 is divided by 18, we get 4. X is 4 centimeter. PQ and PQ is equal to RP is equal to 4 centimeter.